Now we'll do the first two configuration, that is VOE2 and VOE4. For this, first log into SAP system and first open the existing Idoc which is generated based on the purchase order. To see the list of Idoc, go to T code WE02, execute. This Idoc was generated when we create a purchase order. Double click on this Idoc, expand the data records. Let's see what all the details we are getting in the data records. So here, along with the purchase order header details, you can see here the partner details. In the partner details, here the partner function is AG, that is sold to party, and we are getting the partner number here, that is the customer ID. And in the LF, we are getting the vendor details, which vendor ID is triggered in the purchase order. And the partner type WE, here we are getting the ship to party details. And here the ship to party contain the plant number which we enter the purchase order. Based on the data here, based on this partner function and the partner number, vendor ID, first we'll do the setting in the VOE2, then we'll do the setting in the VOE4. Before that, see one more point. Whenever we want to create a sales order with VS01, here we need to enter order type, sales organization, distribution channel, and division. The same setting we'll do for the order determination. Go to T code VOE2. Here, enter the customer ID. You can copy from the Idoc, or if you know the number, maintain that manually. This is the customer ID through which we have received the Idoc. And in the vendor number, maintain the number which is there, the type, partner type LF. Maintain this with a leading 0. If you're not maintaining leading 0, we may face some problem. Now, if my customer ID is this and vendor ID is this, for creating the sales order, which sales org I want to determine. So I want to determine 1024 as my sales org. My distribution channel will be 24. My division will also be 24. And the order type I want to create as ZOR. So based on the Idoc data of this customer vendor number, for creating of sales order, those details will be determined. Click on Save button. Next setting we have to do in the VOE4. Go to VOE4 T code. Here, in the customer, again enter the same number, which customer ID we are getting into the Idoc. This is my customer ID. And the function, your function is the ship to party. I think SH is the code for that. Ship to party. Let me enter again. My customer ID is this for ship to party. If the external partner is 9105, why 9105? What we are getting here in the ship to party, we are getting the plant ID as a 9105. So here you have to maintain the setting. If a customer is this and if the ship to party is 9105, which internal number I have to use? As here I am using the same sold to party and ship to party, both are same, so I am using the same number. But in case if you have different number for ship to party, that internal customer number which you want to assign as a ship to party, if in the Idoc you are getting the vendor as this, that number we have to maintain here. Press enter, click on Save button. So what we have done, first we done the setting in the VOE2 for the sales area determination, and then here we are doing the setting to determine the internal number for ship to party. So we have done with the setting of VOE2 and VOE4. Next we'll learn how to create the partner profile.